Morning, Professor and class. I am going to share with you my literature focus unit presentation on Nana in the City. This was an honor book that was written by Lauren Castillo, and it was actually written and illustrated by her. This is Nana in the City. This is what it looks like. I linked the audio from YouTube that will take you through the book as an interactive read aloud right there. This is a worksheet I linked right here. It was from Teachers Pay Teachers, and it was like a prediction. Draw a picture of what you think will happen in the story. This would be good to use before reading the book to make predictions, let students make predictions about what may be happening just by looking at the outside of the book. Who or what do you think the book will be about? When do you think the book takes place? Where do you think the book takes place? And I thought this could be used, like I said, before reading. Okay, introducing the book. This would be an interactive read aloud. I chose first grade. Activating prior knowledge is very important. Show the students the book. Ask them what they think this may be about. Let students answer. Ask questions. Has anybody ever been to a big city? Let them make predictions about what the book may be about, okay? Students will answer accordingly, and, let's see what this book is about, okay? It will be important to engage students by stopping and pointing at specific pictures and places in the story. Make sure you pause and notice the pictures, how the characters are feeling and where the story is taking place and what exactly is going on. After the book has been read aloud, you want to have a conversation, like, where did the little boy go to visit? Who did he go visit? What was the setting of the story? So a grand conversation would be a good idea from the textbook to use at the end of reading the story. This story is about a little boy that goes to visit his Nana for the first time in the city, and the little boy is very scared of all the loud noises and bright lights and all the commotion that's going on in the city. They go home and eat lunch, and Nana makes him a bright red cape, okay? And the cape gives him bravery and helps him to feel brave, and then when they go back to the city later, he is not scared anymore. Let's see. Where was I? Okay. ELAGSE1 or L2. Retell stories. Details demonstrate understanding of the central message or lesson. Students will create a storyboard with illustrations about the text of the story. Beginning, middle, and the end of the story will be represented here. This is the storyboard. What's the story about? The main ideas, detail 1, 2, and 3. I got this from Teachers Pay Teachers, and I linked it right there. Busy, loud, and scary are all ways we can describe the city. Nana makes him a bright red cape to ease his fears. The city was still busy and loud, but the little boy became brave and displayed courage the second time he went back to the city because of the red cape that his Nana made him. These are the vocabulary words. Cape, brave, loud, Nana, and city. I chose vocabulary bingo. Make a bingo board, call out the vocabulary words, and have students put a marker on their words. The first one to get all 5 vocabulary words wins. Writing activity is listed right here. Students will write about a scary thing that they may be able to do or accomplish if they had a bright red cape. Then draw a picture and label it. Students are given this prompt and then have 10 to 15 minutes to complete the quick writing activity from our textbook. This is the GSE standard. Write informative, explanatory text in which they name a topic, supply facts about the topic, and provide some sense of closure. I also got this from Teachers Pay Teachers. Another extension activity could be to make bravery badges. I won't go into this because I'm running out of time, but you can click on this on your own and they look like this. Pin them to these, safety pin them to the student shirts or take them on their shirts. Oopsie, I'm running out of time. Phonics activity. This is the GSE standard right here, and I found a Blends spelling game. Know and apply grade level phonics and word analysis skills in decoding words. Okay, this is the graphic organizer. I would draw, instead of using maybe this specific graphic organizer, you could even draw the little boy on chart paper just like this and then do the activity out loud together on chart paper. Or you could hand them out and let students do them in a group or individually at their desk. This is the first grade standard right here. Describe characters, settings, major events in a story using key details. I linked the worksheet right there. 4 more books that could go along with this unit. Hedgehog Needs a Hug. Right here, Kindness Makes Me Stronger. These could all go with this book if you are learning for a unit on feelings or emotions. They are all available on Amazon Prime delivery. Gratitude is My Superpower. And Ricky, the Rock That Couldn't Roll. These, my references was the textbook, and I linked all of my worksheets from the Teachers Pay Teachers in each specific slide, so I did not list them at the end for my references. I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and have a great day.